Hi, everyone. I'm Jasmine, and welcome to Jasmine's Reading Corner. For today's Storytime storybook, I'll be reading Peppa Pig and the Silly Sniffles. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. So now, let's begin. Peppa Pig and the Silly Sniffles. Peppa Pig and Susie Sheep are playing store. Susie Sheep stocks the shelves. Peppa takes the money. "This is a fun job," says Peppa. Danny Dog is their first customer. "Hello, could I have some cookies, please?" "We don't have any cookies," says Susie. "But we have a toy telephone." Candy Cat is next. "May I have a loaf of bread, please?" "We don't have any bread," says Susie. "But here's a... toy house." More and more customers come in. Rebecca Rabbit buys a carrot. Zoe Zebra asks for apples, and Susie and Peppa sell her a toy truck. "Being a shopkeeper is hard work," says Peppa. Pedro Pony comes in next. "Achoo! Sniff, sniff, cough, cough." Pedro has the sniffles. Poor Pedro! Peppa and Susie don't have anything in their shop for him. "Susie," says Peppa, "let's play a new game. We can help Pedro feel better." Peppa and Susie go to the dress-up boxes and change into their new outfits. Then Dr. Peppa and Nurse Susie go to work. "Let's have a look at Pedro," says Dr. Peppa. Peppa examines the patient. "Oh, this is serious," she says. "What should we do?" asks Nurse Susie. Peppa has an idea. She knows just what to do to make Pedro better. "How's that, Pedro?" asks Susie. "Cough, cough, cough, cough." Uh-oh, they didn't make him feel better. "Don't worry, Pedro," says Peppa. "I have another idea." "Are you feeling better yet, Pedro?" asks Susie. "Achoo! Achoo! Cough! Not yet! Achoo!" Uh-oh. Dr. Peppa is not doing a great job, is she now? "Okay, I have an extra special treatment," says Peppa. "Great idea, Peppa," says Susie. "You are a very good doctor." Is she now? So far, I haven't seen her do anything effective for Pedro. "Achoo! Sniff! Sniff! Cough! Cough!" Uh-oh. Pedro is not getting any better. Peppa and Susie try again. They are giving Pedro a cast. "But Peppa," says Pedro, "I don't have a broken leg. I have... the sniffles! Achoo! Sniff! Sniff!" But everyone wants to see and sign Pedro's cast. Candy Cat draws a flower. Danny Dog draws a parrot. Zoe Zebra draws Mr. Potato. Dr. Peppa draws a muddy puddle. "Oh, I think I have the sniffles too," says Candy Cat. "Can you help me, Dr. Peppa?" "Yes, me too," says Danny Dog. "I need a cast." Everyone wants Dr. Peppa to help. "I still have the sniffles," says Pedro, "but I feel much better." Thank you, Nurse Susie. Thank you, Dr. Peppa. The end. Well, I'm not sure about you, but Peppa Pig is not a very good doctor. But I guess it doesn't matter, since everyone in her class and all her friends seem to still think she does a bang-up job as a doctor. Thank you for joining me for story time here at Jasmine's Reading Corner. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. And if there are any books you would like me to check out, please email me or contact me through my Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook handles. Until next time, bye! And remember, if you get hurt, you might want to think twice about asking Peppa Pig because she's going to treat you for the wrong ailments. But at least she's really good at making casts that people want to write and scribble all over. Until next time, bye!